everyone, got my hands on the new 2024 13-inch MacBook Air with the M3 chip, and let me tell you, this thing is slick. First impressions? It's incredibly light and thin, like seriously barely there. Perfect for tossing in a bag and taking anywhere. They're saying up to 18 hours of battery life, which if it holds up, is game-changing. No more hunting for outlets all day. The star of the show here is definitely the M3 chip. Apple's talking about a serious performance boost with the 8-core CPU and a whopping 10-core GPU. I haven't put it through rigorous testing yet, but just navigating around, everything feels incredibly snappy and responsive. Even with multiple apps open, it doesn't even flinch. This thing is screaming fast. They're also pushing this Apple Intelligence, which is supposed to help with writing and just general productivity stuff. I'm curious to see how that plays out in real-world use. The display is gorgeous, as you'd expect from Apple. That 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display is vibrant and crisp. Watching videos is a treat, and the colors just pop. They're also boasting improved audio with the 4 speakers and spatial audio. I'll have to give that a proper listen later, but initial impressions are good. The sound is definitely full and rich. Now let's talk about practicality. You get 8 GB of unified memory and 256 GB of SSD storage on this model. That's probably enough for everyday tasks, browsing, and light creative work. If you're a power user dealing with massive files, you might want to consider bumping up the storage. The keyboard feels great, nice and tactile, and Touch ID is always a welcome addition for quick and secure logins. One thing I always appreciate about MacBooks is how seamlessly they integrate with other Apple devices. The whole ecosystem just works, and if you're already in the Apple world, this Air will slide right into your workflow. They're also highlighting how well macOS runs with apps like Microsoft 365 and Adobe Creative Cloud, which is a big deal for productivity and creative professionals. Overall, this 2024 MacBook Air seems like a fantastic ultraportable. It's got the power, the portability, and that classic Apple design. The M3 chip is the real game changer here, promising a significant performance jump. I'm excited to spend more time with it and really put it through its paces. Stay tuned for a more in-depth review, where I'll dive into specific performance benchmarks and really explore all the features. But for now, color me impressed. This is definitely one to watch if you're in the market for a new lightweight laptop. Let me know what you think in the comments below. What are you most excited about with this new MacBook Air?
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.